And on today's episode of Tutorials with Teddy, we're going to be switching it up a bit. We're going to highlight the last remaining 2018 Mazda 3 Grand Touring in a manual transmission that we have available. And as you can notice, the signature LED lighting that is going to come with the Grand Touring is not only the projector, but also the signature daytime running light, only found in the Grand Touring. It is going to give you a really crisp, clean light output, allowing you as well as other drivers to see you coming. Another signature thing that you're going to find with the Mazda 3, both in the Touring and Grand Touring, are the lovely 18-inch gunmetal alloy wheels. They complement this Snowflake White exterior really nicely. Moving along to the rear of the vehicle, you're going to get a lot of the Kodo design cues, as well as the technology cues with the LED lighting for the rear. You'll notice that the taillights are going to have a crisp, clean LED outline for your daytime running lights, very similar to what's found in the front. And as you can notice on our window sticker here, it's not only fun, but it's also very fuel efficient, with an average of 30 miles per gallon combined. Based on a real-world situation, we'd rather have you have fun in the car than try to chase fuel economy. Moving on to the interior, Mazda's done a great job with incorporating the almond leather into the door cards that matches perfectly with the seats. Now, this is one of the really great things that Mazda did with the 2018 interior design, was changing up the way the seats look a little bit. Mazda got a lot of praise for this being a compact car and having such a luxurious interior finish to it. Power driver seat, power passenger seat as well in the Grand Touring, and then as you can notice, that almond interior carries on through to the rear, not forgetting the rear passengers with that unique seat back design. Now, this particular one, like I said, is the last 2018 we have left in stock. It happens to also be a manual transmission. Very rare car. And with the unique setup that Mazda is going to offer on the Mazda 3 Grand Touring, upon startup, you are going to see a heads-up display that will fold up out of the dash above the cluster of gauges, as well as the unique center tack with digital speed readout in the lower right-hand corner. Now, like I'd mentioned before, it is a manual transmission, and the rare part about this car is that it's equipped with that premium equipment package, which is going to add, in addition to heated front seats, the heated steering wheel, which is a nice option, especially here in Cleveland, Ohio, as well as dual zone climate. Being able to adjust the climate from the driver's side and the passenger side is really nice as well. Obviously, with the vehicle being a manual transmission, having additional safety features like the radar cruise control, lane departure warning, as well as the smart city brake support and smart brake support are a great feature to have. Gives you the confidence of driving a vehicle, even though it is a manual. Having these additional safety features is nice. So I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding the vehicle, visit our website at Mazdaofbedford.com. Stop into our dealership at 11 Broadway, or give us a call at 440-439-2323. To stay up to date on the most exciting new Mazda news here from Mazda of Bedford, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video for us.